During each module of the course, it is recommended for you to practice the key elements covered in the online sessions. So for each module you will be given assignments to undertake during your daily life. If you don't complete an assignment, please be gentle with yourself. Not judging yourself harshly, but bringing a gentle inquisitiveness to the situation. Asking yourself what got in the way, and how might you make it possible to do it another day. Your assignments for this module and week ahead are: 1. Mindful breathing. Try to practice mindful breathing each day with the guided session, or in silence on your own. 2. Mindful movement. Try to practice mindful movement each day with the guided session, or in silence on your own. 3. Event awareness. During the week, try to become more aware of the way you respond to different events in your daily life. Keep a paper journal, recording your reactions to pleasant and unpleasant events. This is an opportunity to become really aware of your thoughts, feelings, and body sensations that occur during the week. Please note that the assignments you've been set for this module replace the ones you were set previously. There's still quite a lot of practice to do, so please remember to be gentle with yourself. Here we recommend you spend 3 days away from the online sessions, so that you can practice your assignments. Come back again in 3 days, to continue with the online sessions. In the next session, you will be introduced to some tips that might be useful when practicing mindful breathing. Click the next video box to go to the next video in this course. Click the View Playlist box to go to the playlist for all course videos. Click the Go Back box to go to the previous course video.